soon. Same one, Polara, iNS.
Lead to cross Hazel Avenue at Phoenix Avenue.
Traveling west.
And here's this one.
Wait.
Lead to cross Phoenix Avenue at Hazel Avenue.
Traveling south. Wait.
Because it's not like I'm sticking out to them. Like we all kind of had to like lean over, like go into the dirt to do this.
Wait.
These Polara buttons are pretty new. We're gonna go to this one.
Lead to cross Hazel Avenue at Phoenix Avenue.
Traveling west.
It's gonna go off pretty soon. Alright. It's the same one. Let's go to this one.
Wait.
Lead to cross Phoenix Avenue at Hazel Avenue.
Traveling north.
Gonna go to this one.
Wait.
Lead to cross Hazel Avenue at Phoenix Avenue.
Traveling east.
Well, that's it. These are Polara iNS buttons at Phoenix Avenue at Sunrise Boulevard. I'm gonna go to a different intersection. See ya.